Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to share a video with your friends using the power of YouTube. You know, it's very easy to create a video with your mobile phone. But how do you share it with your friends who live in different continents or different countries? Sending a video file via email is very tricky and very cumbersome. There are many methods of doing this, but the best method that I find is to use YouTube. You have to create an account on google.com, which will also give you a Gmail address. And then you go to youtube.com, and then there is an icon which looks like a video recorder, and you click it and it gives you an option to upload a video. You upload a video to YouTube in your account, and then you mark it as unlisted, which means that people who are in the public will not be able to view your video. You will have to give them an address or URL of the video. Another option is to mark your video as private, in which case you will have to specify that certain people with certain email addresses only can view your video. So even if somebody has the URL or the address of your YouTube, he will not be able to view it if it is marked private and if he is not in your allowed list. Also, if you are not verified with Google, then you can only upload a video that is 15 minutes or less. But if you verify yourself by just entering your cell phone number, where Google will send you a verification code, and once you verify yourself, then you can upload a video which can be up to 12 hours in length and up to 128 GB in size. So only Google can give you this kind of power for free. So this is about it. In this video I will give you I will show you the step by step using my Windows 10 computer. But in my next video I will give you the method for using Android. But the techniques are similar, the concepts are similar. So let's move right into the real stuff. Now I have in my downloads folder, I have this file called Cincinnati Downtown.avi. Now this is a video about my visit to Cincinnati downtown, and if I right click on it and select properties, it says the size 148 MB. If I click on details, it says it's 13 minutes video. So so in order to upload it, what I do is that I go to my account on YouTube. So I go to my YouTube channel, and it shows that I have it shows that I'm signed on as Barry Nirmal BNT49 or gmail.com. So in order to upload a video, I click on this link. See the video icon? I click on this, and then I select upload video, and then I select, it says select files. I select a file. I come to downloads, and then I select Cincinnati Downtown.avi. Let's select this. Now he says Cincinnati Downtown, and then I can give a description. This video describes the scene of downtown Cincinnati, USA. Okay, so it's basically he's still uploading it. While he's still uploading it, I can go to next. Then he asked me to answer this question: is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. So I go to next, video elements. Then I click next. I'm going to make it unlisted. I don't want to make it public. Now if I make it public, then anybody can go to my YouTube channel on YouTube, and then he can watch it. Unlisted means that I have to send the link to this video to my friends, and then they can see it. Private, if I select private, then I have to specify which users can see this video. Then I have to specify the email address of my friends who can see it. Only they can see it. Even if they send the link to some other friends of theirs, those friends will not be able to see my video. So basically, this is how it works. So you have details, and details you give a title and description. This is if you want to publish this video on YouTube, so the YouTube search can find your video. But since I am going to just share with a few friends, I don't need to worry about this. Video elements is you can give an end screen or cards. Visibility is very important. You have to specify whether it's private, unlisted, or public. Or you can select a schedule, select a day to make your video public. Before you publish, check the following. Do kids appear in this video? We already answered the question. Looking for overall content guidance. Okay. So this is the video link. He already gave me the video link, which I can copy. But I will show you that now that he's still doing it. He's still uploading 67%. There's 2 minutes left. Now he says 100% uploaded. So now it's 100% uploaded. Now he will process the video. And I can save it. And if I save it, he will say video is still being uploaded and it will be unlisted. Means it will be present on YouTube, but it will be unlisted once uploading and processing finish. Keep this browser tab open until uploading completes. So let's keep this open. We don't want to close this browser window. And then once he has processed my video, then I can view it. I can send the link to my friends. So this is how it works. So it's very important to understand the visibility of public means anybody can watch your video. Unlisted means you have to send a link to your friends, and then they will click on the link and then they can watch your video. But by mistake, they can send the link to their friends, and then those guys also will be able to see it. But sometimes you only want a few selected people to watch your video. In that case, you make it private, and when you make the video private, you have to specify the email addresses who can watch it, who can watch your video. So right now he's processing it. It's 95% processed. Now he says finish processing, so I close it. Once I close it, it says that I have this video, so I can view it on YouTube, and then see this is the video. This is the video being shown. I can select this one, and I can say copy. Once I copy it, I open another window, and I said I go to gmail.com. Now this is Google account Barry Nirmal bnt19 at gmail.com. Now this is my Gmail Gmail screen. So I go to compose and I send it to my friend. And I said and then in the body area I paste it, and then I send it. So it says Message sent, view the message. Now when the other guy receives the my email, he will in his inbox, he will see the message just like that. It will say, watch my video about Cincinnati, and it will have a link. So he will click on this link, and then he will come to then he will come to YouTube, and then he can watch my video. So this is how you share a video with friends. Now once you have the link to your video, you can send it again. Like next day, you can send it to more people, and just send them this. This main thing is this is the link, okay, and which you can also find from your channel. Like on your channel, if I go to your channel, my channel, he says I can go to YouTube Studio, and then YouTube Studio, and then there is a link for videos. I select that, and then Cincinnati. It's if you want the details, it tells you that this is the video and this is the link, video link. So I can go there. I can select the whole thing, and then I can copy. It, and then this link I can paste it in my email. And if I know this link, I can also send it. If you are on your mobile phone, you can send it via share to WhatsApp or through other medium. Okay, so this is how I've shown you how to share your video with your friends by uploading it to YouTube. Now let me show you how to verify yourself on YouTube. So to verify yourself, you go to youtube.com, youtube.com/verify. Now it tells me that I'm logged on as this user, Barry Nirmal, bnty9@gmail.com. So for this user, he says, select your country, United States. Account verification, step 1 of 2. That means my account is not verified. If my account was verified, he would tell me that you are already verified. So I said, my country, United States. I said, text me the verification code. What's your phone number? So I said, my phone number is I enter my phone number and I submit. Then he says, enter the verification code. So I go to my mobile phone and I find a text message from YouTube, and the verification code is 966278. So I enter the verification code and I submit. Then he says, enter the latest 6-digit verification code. Re-enter verification code. 966278. Congratulations. Your YouTube account is now verified. So once I have verified my account, if I want to upload a video of say 30 minutes or even 1 hour, I go to my YouTube account, okay, and I go to youtube.com, and I'm already signed on. See this icon here, this circle, this purple color. If I click on it, it says I'm signed on as Barry Nirmal, bnty9@gmail.com, and I can click on this video icon, video camera, and I can upload. I can upload a video. Because now I'm verified, I can upload a video of great size, like huge size. Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. You should also share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below. You can share it via WhatsApp, via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or via email. Please also write your thoughts in the comment section below so that others may benefit from your thoughts. You can also click on the bell icon so that you will be informed when I post new videos. Thank you.